igsoon, basahon nako ang bersikulo. Sa Juan Kapitulo 2, bersikulo 1, ngadto sa 11. Nagpasakot ni, nga atong Ginoo, na sa iyang kasing-kasing usab, kining kasal, kining kaminyoon. Ingon din sa bersikulo 1, and the third day, a wedding took place in Cana of Galilee, and the mother of Jesus was there. Verse 2, and Jesus also was invited, as well as his disciples to the wedding. So, gi-invite ang atong Ginoo ni ini nga kasal. Verse 3, and when the wine ran out, the mother of Jesus said to him, "They have no wine." Verse 4, and Jesus said to her, "Woman, what do I have in this that concerns you? My honor, my hour has not yet come." Verse 5, his mother said to the servants, "Whatever he says, you do." Buhata kung sa iyang iingon. Verse 6, now there were 6 tons of water pots laying there, according to the Jews' rite of purification, holding 2 or 3 measures each. Verse 7, Jesus said to them, "Fill the water pots with water," and they filled them up to the brim. Gipuno nila tong banga or tadyaw og tubig. Verse 8, and he said to them, "Draw some out now and take it to the master of the feast." Dadana dito sa Ginoo. And they took it to him. Unsay gihimo sa tong Ginoo? And he said to them, "Draw some out now and take it to the master of the feast." Gidala nila, and when the master of the feast tasted the water, which had become wine, and did not know where it come from, through the servants who had drawn the water knew. Then the master of the feast called the bridegroom. Naugtan sila atong panahon na og wine. Bino, mga higala, mga igsoon. Verse 10, and he said to him, "Every man sets out a good wine first, and when they drank freely, then that which is worse,